How to raise strong Kenbro chicks from day one, the natural way. They say anyone can buy chicks, but not everyone knows how to raise them the right way. At Golden Egg Organics, we've seen it all, from people who bought strong Kenbro chicks and turned them into weaklings in 2 days, to others who started with just 5 birds and turned it into a full poultry business. The difference, how you raise them from day one. So let me show you how to style your chick care the organic way. No stress, no antibiotics, just pure natural wisdom. Step 1. Prepare before they arrive. Most people rush to buy chicks and then start building the brooder afterward. That's a recipe for disaster. Chickens hate stress, and changing environments too fast can kill them. So before you even call us, make sure your brooder's ready, warm, clean, well ventilated. Put dry sawdust or wood shavings on the floor and use a clay brooder warmer, charcoal jiko, gas lamp, or electric bulb for heat. Temperature should feel like a baby's warm blanket. Not too hot, not too cold. Step 2, water is life. But not just any water. Give your chicks clean, room temperature water with a little sugar and glucose on the first day. This gives them energy and reduces stress from transport. On day 2, you can add a bit of homemade probiotic like the lactobacillus serum we showed you before to protect their guts and boost their immunity. Step 3, feeding smart. Not just feeding fast. For the first few weeks, use quality chick mash and avoid giving them leftovers or grains too early. Their stomachs are still delicate. Feed them little, but often. Make sure the feeders are low and clean. Chicks are not gymnasts. Don't make them climb mountains to eat. Step 4, watch like a hawk. If your chicks are all huddled under the heat lamp, it's too cold. If they run far from it, it's too hot. Spread evenly. Perfect. Clean their waters twice a day. Remove wet shavings. Keep the area dry and free from drafts. And yes, talk to them. Chickens recognize your voice. It builds trust. Step 5. Natural health care. Don't wait for them to fall sick. Prevent it. Use natural additives like garlic water, aloe vera juice, or moringa in small amounts once a week. They boost immunity without any side effects. If you must vaccinate, follow the right schedule and don't overcrowd your birds. The goal is simple. Raise chicks that grow strong, eat well, and don't die easily. It's not magic. It's just knowing how to style your setup the natural way. At Golden Egg Organics, we don't just sell brooded Kenbro chicks only. We teach you how to raise them right. We sell brooded chicks of different ages at different prices. So whether you're a beginner or growing your flock, we've got what you need. Call us, WhatsApp us, or visit the farm and see for yourself. Because smart chicken farming starts with smart chick care. Golden Egg Organics. Pure. Local. Legendary. For quality Kenbro day-old chicks, contact 10Chick. Then for brooded Kenbro chicks of all ages, check with us at Golden Organics, Machacos County on cell phone. 0729 725 720